the home of J.P. Morgan. Wow. Cragston, you're as beautiful as they said you were.
Sir Charlie, good to see you. How was your journey?
Incredible. Cragston's just as beautiful as I've heard.
Come on in.
Hats off to you, sir. Now, this is a ton of space. So let's start unpacking it, right? Straight away when you walk in the front door, how does this whole thing play out?
It's 10 bedrooms, 6,000 square feet, can fit about 30, 40 people. And we get weddings here, we get large groups for West Point graduation, and then we have a couple kids' rooms where there's multiple bunk beds. We have a cool game room right next to our arcade, and then there's a couple TV rooms. There's a great sunroom that has 100-inch TV, great for game day. And then this was the old parlor room here. A lot of people just come in to enjoy Hudson Valley and access Manhattan without having to be in the city. And it's just really cool having the history here plus West Point right up the street.
This has to be the only place on the planet that you could say J.P. Morgan and Billy Joel wrote history under the same roof, and you're a big part of this.
It's unusual to have a larger home available, certainly for rent, let alone a larger home at all around West Point, this size and this scale.
Absolutely.
10 bedrooms, it's got 7 bathrooms, it's got 5 grills, multiple outdoor fireplaces, lots of different balconies and decks to view the river from, tons of space for up to 40 people plus. We have a lot of weddings here. It's a really cool, unique spot, and 3 kitchens as well.
The name is still alive, but I'll tell you what, I got a feeling JP never got to enjoy a pool view like that when he was here.
It is very similar to the view that Billy Joel had when he was writing on his piano upstairs.
You know what, I think I'm ready to be inspired.
Let's go check it out. So yeah, literally right here, this is Billy Joel's original view from the primary bedroom upstairs.
Oh my God, and you know what's most poetic? As we look behind us, the Hudson River train line is going past.
Hudson River line.
That's crazy, man. This yard is massive. I mean, you have tremendous space around here and like multiple patios. Could you break down the actual exterior of the property for us?
Definitely. So it's not the 700 acres it used to be, but it is still 3 acres, which is really unusual.
Still
for this
plays
area.
like it.
It does. It can feel like the 700 maybe. So we have actually multiple locations. A lot of couples get married in the back lawn here, where there's 3 original trees that were all J.P. Morgan's staff, about 150 or so years ago were planted. In the front, there's a really nice circle area, front yard, where there's tons of space, lots of parking. We can fit literally like 30 cars on the property, which is pretty spectacular. Very helpful because West Point can be tough to park sometimes. Yeah. Over here, we have basically like a fire pit area that overlooks that view with the Library of Congress photo. You can see that right from over there. And then of course, this pool deck's my favorite. You can basically relax here, have a cocktail at night, have coffee in the morning.
Well, long live Cragston, and they couldn't have a better guy carrying on the history, man. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much, Charlie. You want to have a drink before you head out?
How could we not?
Let's cheers.